Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to optimize Ecwid SEO. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. So as of right now, I'm on the Ecwid dashboard. So from in there, you can see this option for website. Click on this SEO right here. Now from in there, you should be able to see this SEO settings. So in here, you can edit out your header, meta tags, your sitemap, and then you can see in here that we can allow search engines to index instant site. So make sure that this one is turned on if you want your site to appear in search results. If you don't want the instant site to appear in search results, you can then turn this off, but I recommend you to turn this on. Now you can see right here that we can edit out our meta tags as well as our sitemap. In order to optimize your SEO, you need to actually edit out these two right here. But you can see right here that it's not available on the pre-plan, so you can head over and click on the upgrade right here. And then you can see that it's actually available on the venture and the higher plans that they have right here. So you can head over and upgrade to the plan that you want for this case. And then once you have upgrade, you can head over and edit out your meta tags as well as your sitemap. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I'll try my best to answer. Thanks.